Nobody wants to get up. Maybe. Well, this little girl does. I want to see Boone, and you keep cutting him off. See, look at her. I can't give no one else attention. Every time, she likes to sleep in all the pillows. They take over my bed. That's my little sliver right there that I get to sleep on, right in the corner. Yes, I know. Why you gotta be that way? Huh? Why you gotta be that way? Bunch of crazy kids. See, she made you get up, didn't she? Yes, she did. Little Miss Wiggleworm, little Miss Wiggleworm. Boone's like, I just want to lay down, Mama. Why she gotta be always in my face? You guys ripped my pillows apart. Look what they did to my sheet. Why you gotta be always so cute, Shiners? Huh? Always so cute. Boone's like, huh? I'm cute too, Mama. Yeah, you are. Oh, see? Can't even talk to you. She has to go get in the way, doesn't she? Always getting in the way, this little girl. She's the little big girl who tries to take everyone's attention. I gotta have all the attention, Mama. I gotta have all the attention. Me with the little Miss Longlegs. All the attention for me. Yeah. Why are you so cute, Shiners? Huh? I'm gonna crawl back in bed, too. Can I crawl back in bed? Lucy's gonna jump all over me. The minute I do. See her? Crazy girl. Crazy girl. You're a crazy girl. See? She takes my hand. My turn. My turn. My turn. My turn. Can I crawl back in bed, or are you taking my spot? Are you taking my spot, little girl? Can I crawl back in bed? It's too early for me to get up. Make me take you guys outside. Crazy girl. Crazy girl. You look cute, Shiners. Look at those ears. Oh, you want wubbins too? Oh, stretch. Oh, see? Can't even do it. Lucy's like, no, Mama. No, it's my Mama. It's my Mama. See how she is? Look at her. She won't even let me. She's like, no, don't pet her. Don't pet her, Mom. You're mine. Bunch of crazy dogs. Boone's just like, I'm just minding my business. What was that? What was that? Uh-oh. There she goes. Ha ha ha! Mama, get that back. Yeah, I'm in bed. Oh, I got squished. Who's squishing me? Boone's like, it's not me. You gonna lick the camera? Huh? Yeah. Can't even play nice in the bed. See what I gotta deal with in the morning? guy's gonna look so vicious. Okay. Okay, you don't have to step on me. How dare I say her name? Oh no, no, it's Boone. Hi, buddy. Hi. How you doing? I see you. Hi, buddy. Oh no. I'm getting squished. Boone. Oh, you gotta lay right on me? Oh my god. Oh my god. You're squishing me. You're squishing me. Oh. I miss having little dogs to protect me from being squished by all these big dogs. Oh my god, you fell right on me. Oh my goodness. What are you doing? What are you doing, son? What? Okay. You're squishing me. You're squishing me. What are you doing? Oh, that's my chest. Oh, silly boy. Everyone wants to pile up on Mama. Are we done wrestling over here? Oh my god, you guys got me coughing now. Yeah. Who's hungry? Who's hungry? Is anyone hungry? Who's hungry? Let's go get some food. Let's go get some food. Oh, we're just gonna climb on me again, huh? I can't get no food if you're climbing on me. I can't. Oh my goodness. Bunch of crazy dogs. Boone's like, I wanted to eat, Mama. Who's hungry? You better get moving. You better get moving. She's like, I know this. You're just trying to get us off the bed. Oh man. Why can't you fall for it? Say I fall for it too many times? Huh? Uh-oh. Crazy dog.